Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A32 and its fingerprint sensor. Welcome back to the channel here. So today we are taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A32 and the fingerprint sensor. So I've had this phone for a little more than a month actually already, and this was the lower version of the A32. There's a 5G version and there is a non-5G version. So this one, of course, is the darker color. I believe there should be coming three colors, just like the A52. I have no qualms with the camera system and how this camera system is set up, but one of the main features or draws for me wanting to look at this phone was the in-screen fingerprint sensor. So if you guys look at that, look at the little sensor is right there. So if I put my finger on it, you can just kind of tell right away that it does take a little bit of time to pick it up and to actually unlock. So again, this phone is running a MediaTek processor, and it's not really the snappiest of phones. I mean, again, you can even kind of tell down here that it lags a little bit when it's unlocking. So again, you can see even the little animation lags. Okay, watch. Fingerprint does not match. So yeah, it does lag a little bit, and again, take it with a grain of salt. This phone is under $300, and most phones under $300 don't have in-screen fingerprint sensors to begin with. So that's really one thing I wanted to kind of make notation on, that a lot of devices in the price range don't have in-screen fingerprint sensors at all. In fact, some phone carriers or phone companies don't even have fingerprint sensors to begin with, even though they are between the $100 and $200 range. So a lot of them just want to add security by using the camera nowadays. And for the most part, let's go ahead and do that one more time. Again, I'm going to use my right thumb. Again, I think probably after you have this phone a while, you probably don't notice, but just because I use devices that have different ways of utilizing its security, like the iPhone 12, which is face unlock, right? The face unlock is extremely fast on the iPhone 12, and of course even the Pixel 4a, which the Pixel 4a, even though the fingerprint sensor is on the back, the fingerprint sensor works flawlessly. So when you jump from those who are very quick, and then again you jump to a phone that's a little bit slower with the processor being a MediaTek processor, again, I don't know what to say. Look at that, it lags, it really lags. And again, hopefully that might not deter you from purchasing the device itself, right? But again, that could be a main factor. So again, from that, let's try the facial recognition really quick, just because it does have that feature also. And so far, nothing. There you go. Okay, do I have to swipe up? There we go. So the other device that I was testing with this was the A52, and this one definitely it opened on its own. I don't know why this one's not opening up. I might have to change a specific setting on that. But again, you can see here that it does take a little bit of a minute to do that. And again, let's get that closer just so you guys can see that. The unlock symbol will just go on. There you go. So there's a little bit of a delay with the facial recognition as well. So for the most part, if you guys are looking for the the A32, the non 5G version, which I believe it's a spec down a little bit compared to the 5G version, you might want to reconsider, just depending. But overall, my favorite part about this phone is the build of the phone itself. You know what I mean? It's got a very nice footprint. It's got a very nice feel, even though it's about the same size as the A52. I really like the way this feels in the hand more compared to the A52. I feel like the A52's back is a little bit flimsy compared to this one. Of course, this one is just a polycarbonate or a plastic back over here. And for the most part, they're both plasticky in feeling, but this one just feels like it's got a little bit more weight to it, and it just feels a little bit better in the hand for me. And even though they both have AMOLED screens with 90 Hz refresh rates, I don't know, I just feel like the screen on this one looks a little bit better. But again, maybe it's just because of the background. This one has a little bit of a darker background, so I might be biased on that. But guys, again, hopefully you enjoyed this specific video. And again, don't forget to smash the like button if you guys like my channel. Don't forget forget to subscribe. And you know, I'm gonna try to keep pumping out videos again. I might end up selling this and, you know, the other phone over here, so keep an eye on that. I might make a video about that as well. Looks like we're getting notification over here from my boy Max Hill. Sorry I couldn't get that in the shot, but we're talking about Dogecoin over here. So again, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and again, thanks again for being a fan of the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see y'all next time.